Osofo no na ohwe yensase ne odomankoma ne paso onunyafo Emmanuel ama kofibua wakasa de afa eye ensemu se eye Ghana ban entumimu ase ne beya yempanifo anase ye maame no mu a wo mu efie na kwa anim no enemebu ho betumi ayama mu se ne beya wo mu so wo mu fie mu no wo betumi edide kakra.
The livelihood empowerment against poverty twenty on sleep eye wono asabe wadi demona wo fie no akọ animu na fenso empremprian wo entimi enye adwuma bia na yade se aban no ewo foto bia wode ema wo mne no mu ene sofo edema de hye won ewo elembela batompesua no eso eyo ni monyamfo Emmanuel ama kofibua wode adesrede akọ ede ama aban na wo sre ese foto a wode ema wono a won fie no akọ animu na fenso wona asabe wadi dema empremprian wo ntimi adwuma biano obesre saban no bepagem kakra ede ama wo mesanse eya ade achiade sane nane ne manso kwa ena ekone no nti de beye na wo nso enkwa ohihia mu nti ena wo stress emprempia na ban no ebepaga foto a wode ma woni mu kakra se de beya eno ne betimi aboa wo mu kyerese emfie mienu atwam yi wode resrede sa ekoye de ma ban ne hweye se obehwe na wapaga wo foto ni mu de ma no nso ya de saban ne timi hweye ede hu dwuma de ma no nti ena ni so wasanso de ato aban n'anim a wonim saban no ebedi hu dwuma ede ama wo mo wode sansem wenyina no etudwa wa bra wode dwuma de efe ne se annual dining fest ne hyehye so ewo lembela batopesua no eso eno nam so ema wona wonfie na kwa animu be se ahanum 500 won ebepie mu ewo dwuma de no asema wode sewie ehye wa afunumu ma wo kire se be se mfie dunie na waye se dwuma de ya wode sewie ehye wa afunumu ase de be ya no ne betimi aba no musanya daso to na afensa foforo nso a wo eba no behunu se koba ne se brebidu na se wonfie no ekọ animu a aban no ewo foto betimi ede so won asene ensem se eno ni monyamfo Emmanuel ama kofibua ede to kantanka kwansosem enim.
Last 2 years ago when we were celebrating the 8 years anniversary, I called for an increase in the leap. And I think that increase came a little bit. Obviously, it's still not enough. So we'll continue to call for government to increase the leap program for the old people and come out with some programs that really help them. Just making sure we have a country where that when you work hard, play by the rules, take care of people, be a good citizen. When you grow old, that your country will also be there for you. Your community will be there for you. Neighbors helping neighbors. This is what this is all about. And I'm happy that it has worked in Lembele district. We've had amazing surprises here. Occasionally I'm here, I'll find somebody, see the center online in Germany. I would come here and unbelievably see a program like this. And that is really what excites me. Seeing amazing Ghanaian citizens. All the things we are doing, working, it's all about people. It's all about making a difference in people's lives. And so this is really all what this whole thing is about. So I'm very happy that we are able to support the old people and their own stories. I hope you have talked to some of them. They will have told you the transformation they've seen in coming here for 10 years.
Nekasa no wachino ena empaniphobia won so bepie mu odwumade no ase won fie na kwa animu no enso nsema wode tudwa eni
honorable yada na so papa fiti de waka de honorable oy MP wenjahan arohumda afi biala obi yeji no ho shamo ba beye iti afa amene pa ba made omoyin cha na bibionya hodin no fa bobo he
honorable oye nipa mapamayan yempeyefo afi biala ohwen ya pom mbi biala ohwen ya pom oma yanya oma hwe nya afi sosa ofren oboa ya no woni community center ha bibiala oye man ohwe ya pom ohwe ayala bibiala na chi so oten part fine o man sisi anda die dia ya be wa ma yenyu agi